Today at Beth's Keto Kitchen, I'm making tortilla trend tuna melts, so stay with me and let's get cooking. Add about a tablespoon avocado oil to a hot skillet on medium-high heat. Slice your tortilla halfway down the center. Those are low-carb tortillas, 4 net carbs each. Add your tuna to 1/4 of the tortilla. Add a little salt and pepper if you like, and some shredded cheddar cheese. Now flip your tortilla partway over the tuna, and then we're going to flip it again each way. And that's it. I'll show you one more time just so you know how to do it. And I will be sure and list the recipe for my tuna in the description box below. So as it heats up, flip your tortilla part way, then flip it again and then again. And that's it. Tortilla trend tuna melts, a perfect keto lunch. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoy my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Have a great day.